Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I have not new to this channel, but INITIO Side Effect, okay? And I just wanted to do a single review on this fragrance, so let's get into it, shall we? Yeah, let's. So you all know how we do around here. So for INITIO's Side Effect, do I think this fragrance is versatile? I would have to say no. I do not think that this fragrance is versatile. Really, when I pull out this fragrance is during this time of season, right? When it's getting cooler, the breeze is going, we're getting a little chill, a little cold. Fall and winter is really the season that I enjoy this the most. I do not see myself wearing this in the summer and the hot heat. I just don't, right? I even have a hard time wearing this, to be very transparent with you all. I have a hard time wearing this at like date nights in the summer, in the hot heat. So that's just me, but versatility, no, I don't think that this is versatile. Now, occasion. Okay, where would I wear this fragrance in the fall or winter? Honestly, I would wear her everywhere. I feel like you can dress this fragrance up. You can dress this fragrance down. This can be chilling in the house. It can be a put together fragrance. Like if you have an event to go to, if you have a concert to go to, something fun to go. Like I feel like this can reach the masses in the occasion of it all, right? I don't see this on like yachts and boats and beaches and sands. Like I don't see that as the occasion, but you know, and every day in the fall season and some cooling, if you're going horseback riding or even like wine tasting, or you're going to be in the vineyard or whatever that looks like, I feel like this can be very versatile in those cooling type of occasions. Even if you're in the house, okay? You can be in warm, you can be in the snuggle occasion, you know, you can get a little warm by the fireplace. This can definitely be even your Thanksgiving scent. I feel like this can go for a lot of different occasions. Now, packaging. Oh, I love this packaging. Are you kidding me? This is luxury. I love it. Now, I really wish this was like a magnetic top, you know, like especially for the price tag. I wish the top was more durable. But other than that, like this diamond effect, it's so unique, so good. I love the packaging, and honey, it's purple, like hello. But no, I absolutely adore. I feel like it's very classy, luxury. I don't have any problem with the packaging. Now, price. Did you say price? Okay, we'll talk. So I have seen the price being $420. I know. Yeah, the price is up there. But is the price worth it? Like, is the fragrance worth it? Price worth fragrance. Price equal We'll get into it later, but let's get into the notes we have. So notes we have rum, tobacco, cinnamon, saffron, sandalwood, and headium. Okay, so that's the notes. Now, do I think this fragrance leans more masculine or feminine? I feel like this fragrance is unisex. So let's get into my full thoughts. This fragrance, I feel like can go for a male, a female, whoever, whatever. Like If you love cinnamon, saffron, tobacco, rum, if you love those type of deeper notes or spicier type of notes, I feel like you would love this. But this is definitely not a blind buy fragrance, okay? See if you vibe with it, especially at $420. You better not be blind buying this. It's kind of crazy. Anyway, but see if you really get along with it, because it can be a deeper, heavier type of fragrance, right? You could not get along with this fragrance. Even though you hear cinnamon, you're like, ooh, cinnamon. Saffron, you're like, ooh, sexiness. You know, tobacco, you're like, maybe, maybe not. But rum, okay. You know, it might give me a little soothing or a little smooth type of fragrance, right? You might be thinking those things. And then you smell it and you might say, yeah, not for me. So I would absolutely 100% say get your nose on this before you are blind buying this fragrance. But Side Effect is so good. It just reminds me of a warm, like by the fireplace type of cozy, warm hug, spicy fall fragrance. Like that cinnamon just reminds me of home. It reminds me of spice, or kind of like a apple cider type of vibe. Like it is so good. It gives me boots. It gives me turtleneck. You know, like replicas by the fireplace, and how that gives you like this cozy, spicy, warm by the fireplace type of feeling. This also like just gives you that memory. In my humble opinion, it is so divine, but also it is not so harsh that you can't enjoy it, right? I feel like sometimes when we have tobacco, when we have rum, it could be so heavy and harsh and just, you know, it can be just like a blob of like, I guess, you know, unless you're putting something sweet to it. But to me, this doesn't like thrive in sweetness. It's just spicy but good and not off-putting, right? Like I feel like it needs that white floral that's in this. Like I feel like if it didn't have that, it would be like, tobacco. Like I feel like the tobacco would take over, but the tobacco needs the white floral, right? The white floral needs the tobacco, needs the rum. Like all these notes are needed in this fragrance. I can smell this. I can smell this all day. This is so good, impactful. I mean, this is fall in a bottle. You want this in your collection, right? Put it on your wish list. Add it to the fold. Like, you know, sis, one day, yep, that's gonna be me. And wait for a sale. Maybe Joma Shop will have a sale. You can do that too. But when I say it is so worth it, and it's smooth and it's just amazing. Comment down below if you've experienced Side Effect and you experienced kind of what I'm talking about. Let the fam know. Let us know your thoughts, your experience. And you know what? Even if you did not have a good experience, let us know that too, because there are some that need to know if you've had a bad experience and what that looks like. We need all the different, you know, experiences and the realities of it all. But my reality has been amazing, and I enjoy this so much. Now, this is a fragrance that does last. Have I gotten compliments on this? I would have to say no. I have not gotten compliments on this, but it's not to me that I don't feel like I smell good. I don't know. It just has not led to a compliment. So take that as you will. It has not led to a compliment for me as of yet. So we'll see what it does. Maybe I'll get a little compliment or two in this season. You never know. Maybe somebody's just trying to be overly nice. But I have not received a compliment yet, but it does smell good. I enjoy it. And it smells so, like, it's just quality. It's luxury. I can go on all day, clearly. Hello. But that is my opinion. I feel like if a man wears that, oh baby, just listen. Make sure he okay. Ask some questions before we even smelling in the neck. Ask some questions. And if he coming too close, like he don't even need to be coming too close anyway, being smelling all like good like that. Like that to me is like he meant to do that. Like who? Back up. Who told you to come in my space? And knowing this fragrance, I feel like he can be far away and you can smell it. Like he could be passing you and not paying no attention to you at all. And you smell it and you like, excuse me? Whew. So be cautious on that. I mean, this does create an impact. I feel like a male would possibly get more compliments than maybe I've experienced. Now that I think about that, interesting. I might have to test that. Okay, anyway, let me know your thoughts on initial side effect. Comment down below. Let us know all the tea, okay? Make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you enjoy this content. Make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some, grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, let them know. Because your sis just did. And again, he don't need to be stepping that close. Like, he didn't even need to be walking past you with side effect. That's crazy. He needs to do better. Hi, fam. I love you. Bye.